Hello beauty babes and welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial I was inspired by the Lakers, as you can see, purple and yellow, purple and yellow, purple and yellow, and I added some silvery goldish glitter on the top. If you guys aren't subscribed to my channel, this would be a perfect time to do it because it's just a click. And if you guys aren't following me on my other social medias, make sure you follow me there, and don't forget to add my brand, my eyelash brand. It is at @everydaylashes_ by Mila. I will be launching soon. Anyways, let's get on with this tutorial. First thing I'm gonna do is apply some Farsail Unicorn Blood. Yeah? Oh, Unicorn Essence. Where the hell did I get Unicorn Blood from? I know that's from somewhere. And I'm just gonna apply that all over my face except my brows. So now my lids are good to go. Just apply some Plouise base in shade 5. First shade I want to pick up with my Morphe M505 brush. This is a Morphe 35P palette, and I am just gonna be blending that neutral shade throughout my whole entire lid, all the way up to the arch of my brow, and then bringing it down. With the Plouise base, you don't really need a transition color, but I still wanted to pick up this tannish color because I am just going to be using two major colors, nothing else, probably just two colors. I messed up. I actually wanted to go ahead and add some masking tape, and I am just going to apply this right there. The next shade I'm going to go in with is this plummy shade, and I'm just going to apply that on top of the crease and then working it down all the way to the tape. I want to richen the purple, so I'm going to go in with this purple shade, and I'm going to focus this color at the end and also blending it onto the tape as well. And then I'm gonna bring it right above the crease. So I'm hitting it on the crease and just a little bit above the crease. So again, blending it on the outer corner and then hitting it on the crease and then taking it slightly above the crease, going back to the outer corner and then blending it in with the tape or onto the tape. I'm also going to bring the shade in towards the center of my lid. So now I am just using a Morphe R41 brush. I just applied this beautiful shimmery color on both the arches of my brow. And now since I'm already here, I'm just going to apply that into the inner corner. Cutting the crease with my Plouise base. This is shade 0. Shade 0. Using my IT Cosmetics flat concealer brush. I'm going to start cutting the crease. I'm actually going to go a little bit above the crease. And I'm only cutting the crease probably up to right here. And then I'm going to actually blend the purple inwards. And now I'm just patting it. I'm going to be going in with Paranoid by Syn Comestics using a flat brush. This is a Morphe 210 brush. M210 brush. And now I'm just packing this beautiful shade onto my lid. And I'm honestly taking my time. What happened? You're looking for Mac? My son's all about cars right now. And that's my husband.
No, sorry.
Like I said, I need to blend these two shades together because it's starting to look a bit harsh. Going back with this purple shade, and I'm gonna start dusting this towards the yellow. You know what, actually I'm just gonna go back and forth with these two shades until I feel like it looks good. So I did run out of glitter glue, so right now I am using my NYX Liquid Crystal Liner as my glitter glue. And the glitter I'm going to be using is Star Crush glitter. This one is called Fool's Gold. Super pretty. Oh, I lied. Star Crushed Mineral. Star Crushed Mineral. Mineral! And I'm just gonna apply this on my crease on top of the yellow. And then I'm gonna stop right there. Now I'm going in with my glitter. I'm gonna use the applicator of the NYX crystal liner, whatever. And I'm just gonna apply that on top of the NYX liner, glitter liner. Ooh. And that just totally intensifies. Oh, let me bring it closer. So that just makes it so much more beautiful. Now I'm going to be mixing two of the Plouise shades. This one is shade 5 and I'm mixing it with shade 0. And then I'm going to apply that underneath my waterline. And then I'm also going to be sharpening up. Oh my god, I've been burping. Sharpening up my line right here. And then I'm going to be bringing it down as well. Again, using my IT Cosmetics flat brush. Patting it down. And to make sure everything's nice and smooth, I'm going to go in with my damp beauty blender. And I'm just pressing the product and also blending it out. Smoking out our lower lash line, I'm going to be going in with this purple first. Then I'm going to be blending this in the middle and then taking it out. I'm not going too low either, just smoking it out just a little bit. I'm going to go back in with the yellow, going from the middle and then taking it all the way to the front. And then I'm just blending both shades together. Going in with my Jonte Blue lip liner. This is in dark brown, I believe. Yes, dark brown. I'm just gonna apply this onto my waterline. Alright, so I applied some mascara and my lashes that are called HONAYY from my Everyday Lashes by Mila. That's me. Alright, prime our face really quick. I'm gonna use the Smashbox Primerizer. Applying that everywhere where I don't have makeup. Anyways, we're gonna go in with some concealer because that's just the way I've been doing it ever since I've been watching Plouise. And I'm applying it just underneath where I apply the base. And then with my damp beauty sponge, I am just gonna blend that out. This shade is super light on me, but I literally have like a little bit left, so I'm just trying to use it up even though it doesn't match me. Using my Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation by Nars. I'm gonna apply the sucker all over. Now with my damp beauty sponge, I'm just blending right under where I apply the concealer. And I did put a lot, so I'm gonna also, oh, what's that? I'm also gonna bring it down my neck. Let me zoom out for you. So, like I said, I am blending this onto the Age Rewind concealer. And then I'm bringing it down to my chin, down my neck. And I'm just gonna be doing that the whole way across my face. I applied way too much foundation, dude. Oh, damn it. I'm going close to where I carved out my brows. Going back with my Age Rewind concealer, I'm just gonna highlight the middle or center of my face. I'm going with my damp beauty sponge. Just blending that out all so beautifully. Now it's time to go in with some translucent powder, and y'all already know I use the Mercier all day, every day. Applying it where I feel my makeup moves the most, even though I don't really feel my makeup moves. But it's just a habit now of just putting it under my eyes, into my nose, my smile line, my chin, the top of my nose, and my forehead. It's just a habit now. It's just a habit. It's just what I do. It's what I do, honey. So recently, I've been so obsessed over these contour sticks. The Smashbox Step by Step Contour Stick. So this shade is bronze. So with bronze, you're gonna go with longer strokes. And then this is just where I like to contour. And then with contour, the actual contour stick, I like to do many little dots. Using my old-time favorite contour brush. This is the Morphe E8 brush. I freaking love this one. Swear, I bought like 2 just in case this one were to give out on me. And honestly, I've been using it for almost 2 years and the new one is still wrapped up. Still wrapped up. I freaking love this brush to contour. Especially cream. Anything cream contour, this is like my brush to go to. The bristles just blend so well with the cream products. I'm like obsessed with it. And it just blends so easily. It's like the best thing ever, ever, ever in matte made. Okay, now I'm just gonna go up the brow, down the nose, in the middle, up. I pick up the product from my nose and then I take it up to my brow. Then I shade it down and I go in the middle or the tip of the nose. Go and get with my Butter Bronzer by Physicians Formula. Yes. And I'm just gonna apply this sucker with a big fluffy brush. And oh my god, this shit smells so yummy. Like, oh my god, if you guys ever purchase this, you're gonna fall in love with it. Not only is it a really good formula, but it just smells so yummy and I feel like it leaves my face feeling that yummy. Yummy. For my highlight, I've been obsessing over this NYX Illuminator. This one is in Ritual. Oh my god, open up, Jesus. So it looks white, but the minute you put it on, it's just freaking gorgeous glow. It has a gorgeous yellow undertone as well. I think it has a little bit of pink as well. I just applied some MAC Fix Plus and I'm using my R31 brush by Morphe, and look at, dude. Is this not? So freaking gorge. And it was super duper cheap. I was like, oh, I gotta try it. I gotta try it. And I'm in love with it. I swear, I've been using this for like a week already. I bought this a while ago. I'm like, why did I stop using it? It's like, oh, because I have other highlights that I need to use. Going in with my Jonte Blue liner. This is in Sugar Brown. Then I'm hitting my lips with Rimmel London. This is shade 710. Last thing I'm gonna do is add some Continuous Setting Spray by Morphe. Woo! And this is it. So that is the end of my tutorial. This again was an inspired look of the Lakers because I saw my jersey and I was just like, purple yellow, purple yellow, purple yellow. Anyways, if you guys enjoyed this tutorial, make sure you guys give it a thumbs up and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Bye guys.